traders, welcome to yet another week of the Forex market analysis. I hope you had a good trading week last week. The previous week was a good one for me as the pairs that I forecasted on acted as expected. For the coming week, we'll be looking at the US oil that we already have on the screen, the AUDCHF and the NZDCHF. But then let us see how we fared last week before we see the way forward for this week. So last week we had the NZDCHF that is already on the screen, the AUDJPY and the AUDUSD. Starting with the AUDUSD, we were looking at a breakout from this rising wedge, and a breakout from the resistance came and moved a great deal before retracing. For the AUDJPY, same story was told here. The breakout of the resistance from the wedge came and met target. It moved a great deal before reversing back into the market structure. But then the breakout provided a good bullish move before reversing. For the NZDCHF, it stayed in the market structure pretty much within the whole week and broke out getting to the end of the week. The NZDCHF makes it into this week as well. So I'll add just one barrier that we'll be looking at for this week. Let us start the week with the US oil, which is trading in a rising wedge. So with this commodity, as long as the crude oil keeps trading within the confines of the rising wedge, there wouldn't be much to do as usual. A break out from the support of the wedge or a break from the resistance of the wedge would dictate where the crude oil is headed next. That was a quick one on the US oil, a simple trade idea as well. For the AUDCHF, we can find a whole market structure in the form of a bearish flag, and to end the week it got below the support of the flag just a little bit. So for the coming week, we'll be looking at this very support level, that is the lowest point from the previous week, to formulate a trade idea. So we have a break of the support of the flag already. So a further break of this support level that comes in at the 0.65276 would prompt more bearish strength. Same story can be said for the NZDCHF. The AUDCHF and the NZDCHF correlate positively. So we can see that the NZDCHF is also well below the support of its market structure. So for the coming week also, we'll be dealing with this very support level as well. That is also the lowest point for last week. A break of the 0.61077 would also prompt more bearish strength. So these are the trade ideas that we'll be looking at for this week. I wish you a profitable trading week. See you next week.